Hello everyone. I hope that you people are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cerebro Nest. Today we are going to explore the history of Jharkhand, India's forest heart, known for its rich culture and heritage. This video will be helpful for the GPSC point of view, and it will be specifically designed for revision purposes. जो आपकी preparation को थोड़ी सी और strong बनाने में आपकी मदद जरूर करेगा. At the end of this video, you will get some MCQs. So don't skip them. ज़रूर attempt करिएगा to test your knowledge. And if you feel something important is missing out, so please let me know in a comment section. Your feedback will help me to improve a lot. So without wasting any time, let's start this amazing journey into the history of Jharkhand. Okay, so let's look at our first slide. Jharkhand, the 28th state of India, formed on 15th of November 2000. The total area of Jharkhand is 79,716 square kilometer, and its capital city is Ranchi. Jharkhand, the name itself tell you a beautiful story. Jhar means forest and Khand means land or a region. So Jharkhand literally means land of a forest. झाड़ का मतलब जंगल और खंड का मतलब भूमि. तो जंगल की भूमि इसे कहा जाता है. And it truly is a land of a forest, ancient, tribal, and incredibly rich. Rich in minerals, irons, gold, copper, mica. Jharkhand is one of the most mineral-rich states in all of India. Let me tell you another interesting thing. Damascus sword, the most famous sword of the history, is made up of the iron from Jharkhand. Now next, let's come to our next slide. In our next slide, we will learn about the geography and the neighboring states of the Jharkhand. ये बॉर्डर याद करना बहुत ज़रूरी है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के लिए. झारखंड की बॉर्डर 5 राज्यों से मिलती है, जिसमें नॉर्थ में बिहार है, साउथ में उड़ीसा है, ईस्ट में वेस्ट बंगाल है, वेस्ट में छत्तीसगढ़ है और नॉर्थ वेस्ट में उत्तर प्रदेश है. So let me repeat this once more because this is the pure exam goal. North Bihar, South Orissa, East West Bengal, West Chhattisgarh, Northwest Uttar Pradesh. Now when and how exactly was Jharkhand formed? 15th of November 2000. This is the historic date. Jharkhand was separated from Bihar, as we know, after the decades of tribal movements and struggles for a separate identity. The tribal communities of this region fought long and hard for their own statehood. And finally, on the 15th November 2000, Jharkhand was officially born. एक लंबे संघर्ष के बाद 15 नवंबर 2000 को झारखंड बना इंडिया का 28वां राज्य, the 28th state. It is important for the knowledge. Now let's come into our next slide, where we will get to know about the different names of Jharkhand in a different time eras. इतिहास के अलग अलग समय पे झारखंड को अलग अलग नामों से जाना गया है, जैसे कि ऋग्वेद में इसे किकिट प्रदेश कहा गया है, अथर्ववेद में वार्त्य प्रदेश, ऐत्रेय ब्राह्मण में पुंड्रू या फिर पुन, वायु पुराण में मुरान, विष्णु पुराण में मुंड, भागवत पुराण में किकट रीजन, कौटिल्य के अर्थशास्त्र में कुकुट या फिर कुकुट देश, अशोकास 13 अधिक में अताविक, टोलमी से मुंडल, समुद्रगुप्ता के प्रयाग प्रहस्ती में से मुरुंड के नाम से उल्लेख किया गया है. फाहीन चाइनीज ट्रेवलर, जो कि चाइनीज ट्रेवलर है, वो कुकुट लाट कहते हैं. अर्ली मेडिवल लिटरेचर में से कालीन देश कहा गया है. 13th सेंचुरी कॉपर प्लेट. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो दैट झारखंड का पहला उल्लेख इस 13वीं शताब्दी के कॉपर प्लेट में हुआ था. एने अकबरी में से कोकरा, तुजु के जहांगीरी में कोकरा और राशिक मंगल से नागभूमि कहा गया है. इसके अलावा भी झारखंड के कुछ और नाम हैं जो कि इस स्लाइड में नहीं आ पाए, मैंने सेपरेटली उसे मेंशन कर दिया है. सो लेट्स सी दैट. महाभारत के दिग्विजय फेस्टिवल में इसे पुंडारिक या फिर पशुभूमि कहा गया. वंशांग इसे किलो नासु कालाना या फिर कर्णसवर्णा कहते हैं. तारीख फिरोजशाही में से झारखंड, तारीख बांग्ला में से झारखंड, सियारे उल मुताहिरीन में से झारखंड, पद्मावत में से झारखंड, कबीर के कपड़े में भी इसे झारखंड नाम से जाना गया है. कॉपर प्लेट्स ऑफ नरसिंह देवर सिंह दो में भी इसे झारखंड और अकबरनामा में भी अबुल फजल के अकबरनामा में भी इसे झारखंड के नाम से जाना गया है. नाउ लेट्स कॉन्सेंट्रेट दैट ऐत्रेय ब्राह्मण, जो कि पहला लिटरेरी सोर्स है, उसमें झारखंड को पुंड या फिर पुंड देश के नाम, पुंड रीजन के नाम से जाना गया है. अनदर इज झारखंड का पहला झारखंड नाम 13th सेंचुरी कॉपर प्लेट में मिला था. Now let's come to our next slide. There is a chronological division of history. As we know, history has been divided into prehistory, ancient history, medieval, modern, etc. In prehistory, we will see Paleolithic period that will be go from 20 lakh BC, 25 lakh BC, BC to 10,000 BC. Mesolithic period 10,000 to 4,000. Neolithic from 6,000 to 1,000. Chalcolithic or Metal Ages. In ancient history, early civilization, we will see Vedic and later Vedic period, tribal settlement begins, Ashur, Khadia and Munda tribes, Buddhist and Jain influence. But in medieval history, we will see Nagvanshi rule begins, Delhi Sultanate contacts, Mughal period references, Chero, Kharwar, Bhumi's rule, and in modern, that is colonial era, British East India Company, as we all know, a very famous thing, tribal resistance and revolt, the most important thing and the core of this history of Jharkhand. India's independence in 1947 and Jharkhand statehood finally when we get our statehood. So let's dive deeper into it. Let's start from the Paleolithic period, that is the Old Stone Age period. Paleo. Paleo means old. Very, you must remember that paleo means old and lithic means stone, old stone. Furtherly, the Paleolithic period is divided into three categories. That is Lower Paleolithic, Middle Paleolithic, and Upper Paleolithic. Here, the primary occupation was hunting and gathering, and in this period there is no knowledge of agriculture or animal husbandry. They knew about fire, but they don't know how to use it. वो आग के बारे में जानते जरूर थे, पर उन्हें ये नहीं पता था कि उसका इस्तेमाल किस तरह से किया जाए. इसमें टूल्स, क्वार्टर्स आर्ट, सेल, ब्लेड, स्क्रैपर्स आदि मिले हैं. फर्स्ट स्केल एविडेंस ऑफ पेलियोलिथिक एज जो हमें मिला था वो है अथिरम पकम जो तमिलनाडु और हथनौरा एमपी से मिला था. अर्लीस्ट की पेंटिंग फाउंड एट भीमबेटका, नर्मदा वैली. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो अर्लीस्ट एविडेंसेस ऑफ पेंटिंग वी गेट फ्रॉम भीमबेटका दैट इज लोकेटेड इन नर्मदा वैली. एविडेंसेस इन झारखंड. झारखंड में क्या मिला था और कहाँ कहाँ मिला था? तो साइट्स है वेस्ट सिंहभूम, ईस्ट सिंहभूम, रांची, हजारीबाग, बोकारो, देवघर, सरिया, रहम, हस्ता, कुथार. ग्रीन यहाँ पे ग्रीन माइका क्रिस्टल हैंड एक्सेस मिला था जो कि बोकारो से मिला था. फिर लोअर स्टोन एज टूल्स फ्रॉम करना कोलाजोर रिवरबेड देवघर से मिला था. स्टोन एक्सेस ब्लेड स्क्रैपर्स फ्रॉम हजारीबाग, रांची, संथाल परगना. साइट्स इन रांची यार. अब रांची में कौन कौन से साइट्स है? लस्सी, बारवे, दिंदा, दुबलाबेड़ा, नवागांव, कांद्रा, नामकुम, सलगी, तोरण करवाल. एविडेंसेस फ्रॉम बोरबिल, बारदा, ब्रिज, हिरजी हाटी, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट सिंहभूम से भी हमें पेलियोलिथिक एजेस के एविडेंसेस मिले थे. नाउ लेट्स कम टू मेसोलिथिक एंड नियोलिथिक एजेस. मेसोलिथिक का जो टाइम पीरियड रहा है वो 10,000 बीसी से लेके 4,000 बीसी तक रहा है. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, periods don't matter. Actually, what happened, you will get a different time limit from in a different sources. So it's very hard to say what is the exact. So how was the life in a Mesolithic age? Mesolithic age में hunting और food gathering होती थी. Early animal husbandry was there. और dog was the first domesticated animal of a human. Tools क्या क्या यूज होते थे? स्मॉल एंड शार्प माइक्रोलिथ टूल्स यूज होता था. झारखंड के मेसोलिथिक साइट्स कौन से हैं? वेस्ट सिंहभूम, ईस्ट सिंहभूम, दुमका, पलामू, धनबाद. रांची साइड से बासनजोर, दामरी, कुरुमगढ़, तोरपा, जामदोली और मेसोलिथिक कल्चरल जोन. पलामू साइड से अंधेरी पहाड़, दोनका पहाड़, गोतमा, गुतूर, भागाडी, रमना. संथाल साइट्स में मिले हैं. संथाल साइट्स के जो साइट्स हैं वो है अमरापड़ा, हर घाटी, गोदलाश, गोधालाश, माधवन, सूरजबेड़ा पहाड़ी, करण कोलाजोरा. मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं सही प्रोनाउंस कर पा रही हूँ कि नहीं, तो इसलिए प्रोनाउंसिएशन को थोड़ा माफ कीजिए. Let's say in a Neolithic age, that is 6,000 to 1,000 BC. The life was animal husbandry होता था, agriculture होता था, और life एक systematically और permanent settlement के तौर पर गई. Invention wheel invented हुआ था, pottery हुआ था, hut making हुआ था, boat making, arts develop होना शुरू हो गया था. Tools इसमें थोड़े से और शार्प्स आने लग गए, स्लेट टूल्स पॉलिश आने लगे, पॉलिश स्टोन एक्सेस, स्टोन नाइफ, स्लेट, स्टोन चिशल्स. झारखंड के कुछ साइट्स हैं जो नियोलिथिक एज से रिलेटेड है. दैट इज वेस्ट एंड ईस्ट सिंहभूम, रांची, लोहरदगा, रोरो रिवर विच इज लोकेटेड इन चाईबासा, बुरहातू. Notably find Burman discovered 12 types of Neolithic hand axes in Chota Nagpur area. It is a very important, and please note it, Burman discovered 12 types of Neolithic hand axes in Chota Nagpur area. Captain Beching discovered Neolithic tools on the bank of the Roro river near the Chaivasa in 1868. Apart from that, in the discovery or invention, we can compare as like Paleolithic इसमें फायर के बारे में लोग जानते तो थे, पर उनको ये नहीं पता था कि हाउ टू यूज इट, उसे इस्तेमाल कैसे करें. वहीं पे मेसोलिथिक एज में उन्होंने इस्तेमाल करना सीखा. और नियोलिथिक आते आते या न्यू स्टोन एज आते आते उसमें इन्वेंशन शुरू हो गया, लाइक इन्वेंशन ऑफ द व्हील, सिस्टमैटिक एग्रीकल्चर, सोशल लाइफ, एवरीथिंग. हाँ, इस पूरे हिस्ट्री के क्रोनोलॉजी का एक सेपरेट वीडियो आएगा, प्लीज़ आप उसे रेफर जरूर कीजिएगा फॉर अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, बिकॉज इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू गेट इट इनटू दिस स्मॉल video. So I will make a separate video of it. Now let's see our next slide. That is the metal ages. That is Chalcolithic, Bronze, and Iron Age. Chalcolithic is a copper plus Stone Age. Bronze is a copper plus steam alloy era, or Iron Age from 800 BC onwards. Beginning from the last phase of Neolithic, Chalcolithic period began from the last phase of the Neolithic period, and here is what makes this period special. For the very first time in a human history, humans began using metal, and that very first metal was copper. इंसान का पहला धातु तांबा रहा है, कॉपर. ये था Chalcolithic काल. In Jharkhand specifically, copper was already in use as far as 4,000 BC. The center of all copper activity in Jharkhand was the Singhbhum region. The Asur, Brijia, and Bhirhor tribes of Jharkhand using it. They were the ones who smelted copper and made tools from it. And one remarkable archaeological site, Baharganda in Hazaribagh district, has the remains of 9 copper mines, the most prominent copper sites in all of the Jharkhand. Now let's come to Bronze Age. After the Chalcolithic comes the Bronze Age. Bronze is an alloy. It is made by mixing copper and tin together. The most famous Bronze Age civilization in India was the Indus Valley civilization, the most famous civilization. Indus Valley सभ्यता के बारे में कौन नहीं जानता, right? In Jharkhand, the Asur and Brijia tribes of Chota Nagpur are considered to be the makers of bronze tools. Now, the next is Iron Age, the Damascus sword, as I said earlier in this video, the most famous sword, right? And now we come right back to here where we started this whole video, right? The Iron Age beginning from the approximately 800 BC. During the later Vedic period, Jharkhand is enormously rich in iron ore, and this was well known even in ancient times. The Asur and Brijia tribes were the very first iron tool makers of Jharkhand, and the Brijia tribes in particular developed an exceptionally advanced iron technology. Brijia जाति ने विकसित की थी एक अद्भुत एडवांस लोहे की टेक्नोलॉजी. But here is a part that puts Jharkhand on the world map on ancient history. The iron produced right here in Jharkhand was exported all the way to Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq, the birthplace of ancient civilization, and the world-famous Damascus sword, one of the most legendary and powerful weapon ever created in the human history, was crafted from the iron that comes from the Jharkhand. If you wanted to know about the Mesopotamian civilization or Indus Valley civilization, any type of that, do let me know in the comment section. Remember, I told you this at the very beginning of the video, and now you understand the full beautiful story behind it. That is the power and the pride of Jharkhand's history. Let's recap now. So before it, there are certain archaeological sites and literary sources. Here we can go like a recap. Isko village, Hazaribagh. We get here from maze, spaceship, constellation cave, painting, Paleolithic evidences we get from here. Sitagarh mountain, Hazaribagh. Remains of 6th century BC Buddhist monastery stupa with 4 Buddha figures. Bhavnathpur cave, Garhwa. Animal painting, deer, buffalo, prehistoric rock art. Palamu fort, Latehar से हमें idol of Lord Buddha in अर्थ टचिंग पोस्चर. बेलवा दाग खूंटी से हमें बुद्धिस्ट माउंट मेड ऑफ मौर्य ब्रिक्स. कॉइन हमें मिला है, रोमन कॉइन्स मिले, कुशान एज के कॉइन्स मिले, रांची से रोमन कॉइन हमें सिंहभूम से मिले थे. सिचिटियंस हमें चाईबासा, इंडो सिचिटियंस हमें चाईबासा से मिले थे. लिटरेरी सोर्सेज वेर अबुल फजल अकबरनामा, एज वी नो झारखंड इज नेम्ड एज कोकरा. शामश शिराज अफीफ, तारीख फिरोज शाही जिन्होंने लिखा था, वो इस रीजन को झारखंड ड्यू टू इस फॉरेस्ट एरियाज मेंशन किए हैं. मलिक में जयासी पद्मावत जो लिखे हैं वो रेफरेंसेस झारखंड रीजन. जहांगीर में भी जहांगीर के तुजुके जहांगीर, दैट इज ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ जहांगीर में इसे कुकरा नाम से रेफर किया गया है. कबीरदास के कपलेट्स में इसे झारखंड के नाम से रेफर किया गया है. वर्मान के नियोलिथिक पैटर्न इन प्री हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया 12 नियोलिथिक हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स में मिले थे. डॉक्टर एन मजूमदार, रेसेस एंड द कल्चर ऑफ इंडिया, ट्राइबल हिस्ट्री ऑफ चेरो, खारवाड़, संथाल और डोल्टन, द कॉल ऑफ छोटा नागपुर ट्राइबल कल्चर. ये कुछ लिटरेरी सोर्सेज है जो झारखंड के बारे में बताते हैं. Apart from that, let's little bit see the tribal settlements and the tribal migration timeline into a Chota Nagpur ancient history. The first one is Asura, that is belongs to a Vedic age. Like it's the oldest and primitive tribe. Iron smelters, Asura Gadhas, forts still exist. Second is Khadia tribe, that is ancient, settled in Singhbhum and Manbhum, was settled at Pora banks of Son. Third tribe is Birhor, that is also in the ancient age. Hunter-gatherer nomadic tribes, copper smelters they are. Fourth is Korba or Munda Orao Ho, that is ancient early medieval, settled after the Khadia formed major tribal communities. Fifth was Chero, Karwar, Bhumi, Santhal. In medieval time we get to know about it. Our later arrivals established regional powers, Santhal Pargana settlement. The Asuras were the oldest tribe of Jharkhand. Skilled iron smelters, present day blacksmith are likely their descendants, opponents of the Vedic Aryans. Now, here are the small recaps or the quick takeaways from these particular slides. Jharkhand in the Vedic age. Tribes opposed Vedic Aryans spreading to northwest India, Rig Veda era. Later, when Aryans expanded to Kikat, that's Magadha, these tribes moved to Chota Nagpur. Atra Brahman, Chero, Sabar tribes lived in Magadha in the period. Harishchandra, son of Trishanku, built fort on Son river named Rohitas Vagar after the Son Rohitasva. Quick facts are there. Chaibasa, Srivat city. In ancient texts, it is named as the Srivat city. Ruler was Narvahana, his son married princess of Champa. Santhal Pop was in Hazaribagh, 8th to 12th century. Chero, Karwar Pop populations was in Palamu region. So here Pop means populations, right? Don't get confused. Key takeaways. Remember of this for your examination. It is important. Like I am writing it here over here so that you will not get confused. So that Pops means population. Okay. Jharkhand was formed. Let's recall it in our mind. Jharkhand is formed on 15th of November 2000, and it's made it's been 28th state of India. The first written record found in it's 13th century copper plate. Damascus sword made from the Jharkhand iron. Proto-Australoid dominant tribal species. First literary mention was Atre Brahman as Pundru or Pund, oldest tribe of Jharkhand, Asura. They were Iron Age smelters. Neolithic handicrafts were 12 types of Burmans. Burmans discovered it. And first archaeological site is Hosta Kutar, which is in Bokaro. So, thank you. Let's see in MCQ how many you are able to do it. Now, let's quickly see the MCQs. There are 40 MCQs, so it will test your knowledge. The MCQs will be divided into two parts. Part 1 will be a question, and part 2 will be give the answers over here. So, check your knowledge. The first question is Jharkhand was established as India's 28th state on which date? Please let me know in the comment section which one is the date of here. A, B, C, or D. Now, next question is which state shares the northern border with Jharkhand? A, B, C, or D? West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, Chhattisgarh. Which one of the state is there which shares the northern border with Jharkhand? Now, next question is the first literary mention of Jharkhand is found in which text? Where it was called Pundru or Pund? Pundru और पुंड किस टेक्स्ट में लिखा हुआ था? वायु पुराण में, अत्रि ब्राह्मण में, कौटिल्य के अर्थशास्त्र में या महाभारत काल में? इन द दिग्विजय फेस्टिवल ऑफ महाभारत द झारखंड रीजन वाज कॉल्ड. महाभारत के दिग्विजय फेस्टिवल में झारखंड को किस नाम से जाना गया है? पशुभूमि, पुंडारिक, पशुभूमि, पुंडारिक और पशुभूमि, या फिर नागदेश, या फिर मत्स्य देश? कौटिल्य के अर्थशास्त्र में दैट इज ऑफ मौर्य पीरियड झारखंड को क्या कहा गया है? अताविक, मुंडल, कुकुट या कुकुट देश, मुरुंड. In Ashoka's 13th edict inscriptions, Jharkhand was mentioned as Mundal, Murund, Atavik, Kukutlar. Greek geographer Ptolemy referred to Jharkhand by the name of what? Murund, Mundal, Mund, या Murand. Chinese traveler Fahin referred to Jharkhand in his travelogue as Kalind Desh, Karna Suvarna, Kukutlar, Tikat Desh. N.A. Akbari refers to the Jharkhand region as Kokra, while Tujuke Jahangiri calls it what? Let me know in the comment section what it's called in a Tujuke Jahangiri. A, B, C, or D? What is your answer? The first written archaeological evidence of the word Jharkhand appears on 10th century stone pillar, Mughal Farman, 13th century copper plate, Buddhist stupa inscription. In the Bhagavad Puran, the Jharkhand Chotanagpur region was referred to as Murund, Mund, Tikat region, Pundru. What is the answer? Which book by Burman documented 12 types of Neolithic handicraft related to Jharkhand, races and culture of India, the Neolithic pattern in the prehistory of India, call of Chotanagpur, or etymology of Bengal? Which medieval writer believed Jharkhand was named also due to its abundant forest cover? Abul Fazl, Malik Muhammad Jasi, Samsi Shihaz Afif, or Mirza Nathan? Dr. N. Majumdar's book Races and Cultures of India provides information about which tribes of the Jharkhand? Munda, Ora, Ho, Asura, Birhor, Birja, C, Chero, Kharwar, Bhumi, Santhal, Yadi, Khadia, Korba, Birja. The Paleolithic Stone Age, or the Old Stone Age, period spans approximately how much? What is the lump sum amount of a period? 25 lakh to 10,000 BC, 10,000 to 4,000, 6,000 to 1,000, or 4,000 to 800 BC. So here I think I have given the answer. If you can get to it, let's see how many people are getting. Which tools are associated with the Paleolithic period? The 17th question. A, B, C, or D? What will be the answer? Let me know in the comment section. Green mica crystal hand axes of the Paleolithic period have been found from which district of the Jharkhand? Devgarh, Ranchi, Hazaribagh, Bokaro. Where? The Mesolithic, Middle Stone Age period in Jharkhand is believed to span. What will be the answer? A, B, C, or D? Let me know in the comment section. Which area of Ranchi district is called the zone of Mesolithic culture? Barbi, Vinda, Dubla-Veda, Isko, Saria, Raham, Banshod, Damri, Kurumgarh, Torpa, Jamdoli, Ghatshila, Hirji, Hati. Which one is this? The Neolithic New Stone Age culture in Jharkhand dates back to approximately how many years? What is the time area? Archaeologist Burman discovered how many types of the Neolithic hand axes in the Chotanagpur area? What is the total amount of hand axes? So 8, 10, 15, or 12. In 1868, Captain Beching found Neolithic tools on the banks of which river near the Chaibasa? Damodar River, Suvarnareka River, Sanjay River, or Roro River? Let me know in the comment section. What is the first metal ever used by the humans? This is a very important and a very easy question to answer. So do that. The most prominent Chalcolithic sites in Jharkhand with remains of the 9th copper mines in it, Devghar, Singhbhum, Bharaganda, Hazaribagh, or Bokaro. Which will be the answer? Which tribes of the Jharkhand used to smelt copper during the Chalcolithic period? A, B, C, D. Which option will be correct? Let me know in the comment section. The Bronze Age civilization associated with Jharkhand / India is which is the Bronze Age civilization? Vedic civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Gupta civilization, or Maurya civilization? Let me know in the comment section. The beginning of the Iron Age is considered from approximately 15,000 BC, 10,000 BC, 800 BC later Vedic period, or 500 BC. The world famous Damascus sword was manufactured from iron exported from Where? Mesopotamia, Persia, South India, Jharkhand. Remain of the maze, Bhul Bhulaiya. Spaceship shape and constellations painting were found in which village of Jaribagh? Let me know in the comment section which option will be right over here. Dudhpani, Bhavantarpur, Isko village, Banaghat. Now, this 16th century of BC Buddhist monastery with a stupa and four Buddha figures were found in which of the mountains of Hazaribagh? So this question will be, if you are able to answer well and fine. If you not, no matter. As I have not reached yet to this, so we will get to know about it in our next videos. Roman coins, Kushan age coins, and Indo-Sasian coins found in Jharkhand from which districts respectively? Which of the answer will be correct? Which of the option will be get correct? A, B, C, D. Which tribe is considered the oldest primitive tribe inhabited Jharkhand? Santhal, Munda, Birhor, Asura. The Asura tribe made their livelihood using which metal? And their remains, Ashura Gadhas, are still found in Jharkhand. Copper, bronze, iron, gold. According to Atre Brahman, which tribes lived in the Magadha region during the Vedic period? Munda, Urao, Santhal, Birhor, Asura, Khadia, Chero, Sabar, and other tribes. Which answer will be correct? Let me know in the comment section. Now, the 36th question is the Nagvanshi ruler Raja Durjan Sal agreed to pay annual tribute to Mughal Emperor Jahangir in 1628. The amount was. This question is also right now. I have not. Right now, this topic is not discussed in this video, so I will later on discuss it. But still, if you are knowing the answer, do let me know. It will be for your beneficiary only. The British entered Jharkhand for first time from the side of Pakur, Singhbhum, Chatra, Plamu. This topic is not mentioned. Not I have taught in this video. So if you are able to answer, that is well and good, because these questions are asked in the JPSC examinations. The British official who officially recognized the traditional Munda monkey system was this Thomson Carlyle Thomas Wilkinson Cleveland. So what will be the answer? If you know, please let me know. The Chotanagpur Tenancy Act was enforced in which of the year? 1905, 1906, 1907, or 1908. These are the actually MCQs which I get from JPSC's official previous year paper. So I put it, but I didn't teach it. Sorry, I'm. So if you are able to answer it, that is well and good. And if not, no worry, I will taught you. Who the first martyr Sahid from Jharkhand in the freedom struggle against the British? This is important to know, and this is again the same thing. Birsa Munda, Sidhu and Kanu, Tilka Khadia, ya Tilka Manji. Which one is this? So here we have completed our 40 questions. Do let me know in the comment section. Answer I will provide later. Let me know whether you are able to answer it or not. And also, if you wanted me to make more videos, do let me know that how you like my videos. I will try to improve myself day by day for your better understandings and get the things easily to you. Till then, bye. Stay tuned. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.